Welcome back to the best After Effects tutorial channel on YouTube. Today I will show you a super simple way to make this amazing looking colorful gradient logo animation, and I actually think that Adobe used this in their animations or their advertisements. So obviously super cool effect to make and also super simple. So I'd say let's just go right into it. So I prepared the composition and you need your logo in a transparent PNG file preferably, and then we also need another solid to add. Just hit OK, and then we can apply our first effect, which is the 4-color gradient effect. And as we can see, we already get some nice colors in here. Then we can go to this setting here, and if you don't see this, just press this button, and here we can then select our logo. So this layer will just be in our logo basically, and as you can see, the colors here don't look as good, and that's because the points here are quite far away from our logo. So make sure that the effect is selected so you can actually access these points here and just bring them right to the corners so we can get these bright, colorful, amazing colors again. Just like that. That looks good. But now we can see also that these colors are there, but they are not animated. And to change that, we can just add one more effect, which is the turbulent displace effect. Just add this, apply this, and as you can see, it doesn't look really different. So we need to play with these settings a bit. We can definitely increase the size a lot and also the amount basically. And then if we change the evolution, you can see that we will get some really cool color flowing in here, and that's it basically. So we can go to the beginning, put in a keyframe at evolution, and then go to the end and just play with the evolution. And as you maybe have seen, there has been a hole in here, and in that case just bring the size down so that hole is not visible. But now if that's still too big, just make sure it's not there anywhere. And yeah, now we already have this amazing looking background, or this amazing looking logo. We can turn on the background again, and we can also give this some styling. To do that, just select both of these layers and pre-compose it, and make sure that this setting here is selected and not that one. Just hit OK, and then first of all, let's add a glow real quick to make it look cooler, just like that. Increase the radius a bit, maybe decrease the intensity, that's completely up to you. And I always like to use the bevel style here, so just right click on this pre-composition, go to layer styles and add some bevel and emboss to give this some nice edges. We can open this up and play with the size of course, as well as the soften, whatever. That's completely up to you. And yeah, that's it already. Now we get this amazing looking colorful animation. I think that's way too much glow, but you can turn this down of course. You can also turn on this, but now this is completely up to you. And yeah, that's it already. Thanks for watching and see you next time.